Hello guys, good evening. So guys, I hope, I say it again and again, I hope you all are very happy and healthy, and I hope you are also learning English language. You are putting your all efforts. So guys, in this video I am going to talk about the very important topic, which is pronunciation. Yes guys, you heard me right, pronunciation. So guys, I just want to say that pronunciation is a critical part of learning English language. You need to take care of this part. You should be very aware, you should be vigilant, because your pronunciation will determine that how much educated you are about English language. You know why I am saying about pronunciation, you should focus upon your pronunciation. I am just want to say that whenever you are going to give any interview, at that time people can judge you by your pronunciation. They can reject you if your pronunciation is wrong. And if you are talking with any native speaker, at that time it is difficult for them to understand you, and sometimes it makes you misunderstanding. It happens, and it happens with me as well. I am still learning, and I just want to say that I am also improving my pronunciation. So I just want to say that this is my advice for you. Actually, I have faced many problems related to pronunciation, and many people used to say that your pronunciation is wrong, you are from a small village, your pronunciation is wrong. And means if you are talking in front of audience, if you got chance to speak in front of audience, at that time audience will be not able to understand you, what do you want to say clearly, because it affects you. I can understand that you will have sound vocab, and your if I will talk about, you can read properly, you can write properly in English, but if you can't speak properly, then it is going to affect your English speaking. So guys, I just want to say that please I request to you, pay attention towards your pronunciation. And I am still improving my pronunciation, because my pronunciation were very wrong earlier. So that is why I am gradually improving my pronunciation. I am working upon my pronunciation every day. So I thought that why not I should make aware for my learners, so that they will definitely work upon their pronunciation. So I just want to say that work upon your pronunciation, because if you will not work upon your pronunciation, so maybe possible that many people will humiliate you, they will make joke of you, and they will laugh at you. So why not you should start learning pronunciation, because if you really want to speak a good speaker, if you really want to speak fluently and sound like a native speaker, if you really want to speak naturally and without thinking, so you should also work upon your pronunciation. I have said this 3 times because it is significant, it is compulsory, it is mandatory. So lastly, I would like to say that start working upon pronunciation. And until then guys, keep learning, keep studying, and in the next video I will teach you about some pronunciation and how to speak them properly, because most of the people speak wrong for them. So thank you so much, guys. And lastly, I just want to say that please subscribe to my channel, because you forget this part. And comment as well, share my video with your friends. Until then, bye bye, goodbye.